Hey guys, Rogue Transformer here. So today, well, I'm gonna show you how to remove one of those little pay thingies on top of your dashboard. Usually look a little something like this. But yeah, so I've already done mine. I've already done mine. So, and my mom, she asked me if I could do hers. So yeah, we're doing it in her TIG one. So yeah, let's do it. So we're going to be focusing on this asshole. Sorry, language is serious. Okay, so what you'll need, bit of floss, bit of floss. Seriously, all you need is a bit of floss. Now, hold on, let me see if I can try and see this somehow. So what you don't need to do is find a corner, something like this, and just gently, well, not gently, but I'm gonna do it from the back side here, but I've got it in the corner now. I'm just going to go from side to side to side, and see, now I've gone around that side, and now I'm gently, well, not gently at all, really, just pretty much tug it as hard as you can, side to side to side to side. Well, with it not ripping into your fingers, because that happened to me once, until you get to the very end. Like that. Now, yes, it's still there, but it comes right off. This one's clean. And then you have the awesome task of peeling this plastic off. Yeah, so this is for anyone who's having a problem, because I tell you, using a spatula, don't waste your time. Whether it be plastic or metal spatula, don't waste your time. Don't waste your time going out to a, no, you know what? I'm not telling you what to do. Do whatever you want, really, but I'm just saying, this is a good option if you want to save money and also not damage your windscreen, because, yeah. So yeah, just use floss for this pretty much. This one's a bit hard because this one's actually all hold together. Yeah, because my Lancer has, which I'm going to be doing a full-on reveal of my Lancer soon. It's had two of these on because the first owners, the second owners had hadn't removed this thing yet, and then they just stuck those on, so there's two there just ready to just be pulled off. So me being the first owner, I pulled both of them off. So wait, did I say this first owner? No, I mean the third owner. Yeah. I can't remember what I just said. Yeah. No, yeah, but yeah, anyways. So, yeah, just pulling this off. Actually making sure not to scratch the windscreen. Got a little bit of an outline there, but not that much. You only see it if you actually look for it. And boom! All gone. All gone. All that only with a bit of floss. Nothing much. Anyways, yeah, yeah, hope you enjoyed this helpful little video. Make sure to hit the like button. Comment down below if you want. And remember to transform and subscribe. See you later, guys.